Australia. Farmers are broke, crops are failing, and 20,000 6-foot-tall emus are marching in like they own the place. So the government did what any rational country would do. They declared war on birds. Faced with an avian invasion, the government mobilized troops armed with machine guns and a mission to protect the land from these feathered foes. But what they didn't expect was the cunning and resilience of their feathered adversaries. Join us as we dive into the bizarre tale of the Great Emu War, a conflict that would go down in history as one of the most unusual battles ever fought. Get ready for a story of desperation, determination, and the unexpected twists of nature that left a nation scratching its head. Because sometimes the fiercest battles aren't fought against enemies, but against the wild unpredictability of life itself. Meet Major Meredith and his elite squad of 2 guys. Their mission? Mow down emus with 10,000 rounds of ammo. Easy, right? Spoiler: the emus brought guerrilla tactics. First contact, 50 emus in range. Gunners open fire, and the birds split into squads, sprinting 30 mph in every direction.
They mount the gun on a truck, Mad Max style, but the ride's so bumpy, they can't hit a thing.
The emus are facing machine guns, with the invulnerability of tanks.
Newspapers roast the army. Parliament jokes about awarding medals to the emus.
After 986 kills and 9,160 bullets, 10 rounds per bird, the operation is canned. The emus, still strutting. Australia, global punchline. Smash subscribe if you think the emus deserve a national monument, or at least a Netflix series.